In this video, we will learn how to install Tableau and how we can connect our data set into the Tableau. So first of all, you just need to open Google Chrome, and in this Google Chrome, you just need to write here Tableau public. So if you search Tableau public, you will get the first link public.tableau.com. You just need to open this particular link, and you need to sign in. Okay, and if you have already your mail ID registered, you can directly sign in, and if you don't have your mail ID, you just need to click here sign up. So let me, yeah, you can see there is sign up. You just need to click here sign up, and you need to fill the name, email ID and password, whatever you want. You just need to fill everything and then click on this create my account. So when you click on this create my account, a mail you will get in your Gmail ID. You just need to activate this particular account. So if you click here, automatically your ID will be activated. So I have already created my ID, so I just click here sign in, and here I'm just writing my mail ID and password. So now you can see I have logged in to my ID. Now you can see there is a create option. You just need to click here download Tableau public. Okay, so you just need to click here. So if you click here Tableau public, here again it will ask you to fill some details. So you just need to fill these details. And in role you can fill student. Okay, as of now you can fill student, and select your country and then download this app. So it will automatically start, but if not start, then you need to click here in window. So you can see it's downloading now. So now you can see your like Tableau is downloaded. You just need to click on this Tableau public dashboard. You need to select this I have read and accept the term of the license agreement, and then click here install, and then yes. So our Tableau is now installed. You just need to double click on this icon, so it will open your Tableau window. Now you can see your Tableau is open, and here you can see this is the icon. If you click here this icon, you come to this particular sheet 1. So there is multiple things, sheet 1, and you have your worksheet, and you have your dashboards, and you have your new story. So in this video we will see only new dashboard and sheet. And first of all, we need to connect our Google Drive, the sheet which we have created, into this Tableau. So you just need to click here, and then you will see this connect navigation bar. So you just need to click Google Drive. If it is not showing, you need to click here more. If you click here in more, you will see there is a connector Google Drive. Just double click here, then it will ask you to sign in again. So I'm just clicking here my same mail ID and continue, and let me check the services. Okay, okay, done. I'm just checking this, clicking this continue. Now you can see it is connected. I just need to close this window. Now you can see all the sheets and folders which is available in your Google Drive is now appearing here. So I need stock data, increase this size. So I'm just clicking here stock data for Tableau. Double click here. So this particular worksheet is loaded, and inside this particular worksheet we have only one table. We can say only one sheet is available, stock prices. Then again I will click here add, and again I will click Google Drive. We need to connect our another like sheet which is stock portfolio. I'm just clicking here continue, continue. and then close it. Now this time I will use a stock portfolio and then double click here, stock portfolio. So you can see stock portfolio is also loaded, and inside this particular Google Drive sheet, we have portfolio sheets available inside it. So we need to make a relationship between these two tables, like stock price and portfolio. So if you drag this particular portfolio in this canvas, so you will see some errors are there. It is throwing like there is no error. If you click here in the alert, you click here in alert, you will see a relationship cannot be automatically created. Edit the relationship to select the matching field. So what you have to do, below you can see if you click here, you will see stock in the stock price table. You need to select the column stocks and equal to, and in portfolio table you need to select stock name. Then automatically it will detect the relationship. And if you click here performance option, the relation is showing here many to many. We need to use many to one. Many means here you have multiple values in a column, and here in portfolio you have a unique values. So we need to use many to one. Okay, so you can see only single values are available, unique values are available in this portfolio. So many to one relationship is created. So I hope you have created the relationship and you have loaded the data into this Tableau. So see you in the next video for with the next topic.